Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas, showing you a 2020 AMG C63S with a full front and rocker panels. XPEL Ultimate Plus is the paint protection film. XPEL XR Plus is the window film treatment. XR Blue is on the windshield, and in the back is XR Plus for Texas. We got 30% on the front doors, and then we've got 20% in the back. And this is a film that rejects up to 98% infrared rejection, the highest rating right now in the market that I know of. But an excellent film, extremely durable with a transferable warranty. So if you're looking for some XR Plus window film here in Texas or Arizona, California, Florida, where it's hot, or anything else, let us know. We can get you the right direction, or we can do it for you here. But let's move on to the wrap. The XPEL Ultimate Plus was added to the full front, like I said, and we'll just go over this and all the ways that we do it by wrapping all our edges. Just nothing, no marks, no adhesive marks. I just saw a black Corvette came to me from a body shop done by another vendor that was just not good. No wrapped edges, dirt in the film. It wasn't nice. It had a lot of marking under the film from adhesive and not enough solution probably to put it on, but this is what we get when we do it. It's clear. It looks as if there's nothing there. Everything is wrapped around. Even this here edge, I've seen this trimmed out here. We wrap all the way around to the grill. Everything wraps all the way up into the headlights. This edge wraps below all this black. Even this little black thing on the bottom that's added, every piece in there is wrapped. Every piece, all the way around. So nothing's gonna get damaged on this bumper unless it's something hellacious in the road that's gonna hit it. So the car will always look like this, and that's why we use paint protection film. And let's take a look at our mirrors that we wrap edge to edge. No gaps, all the way around. So there you go. And that's about it, folks. I'm gonna cut this one short so we can get going. And Clear Brown, North Dallas, if you need us, it's clearbrownnorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching.